Hello everyone, today is March 28th. When I woke up this morning, I was 62.35 kilo, so a net loss of 700 grams since yesterday. Let's look at the numbers. In terms of total calories, 1,380 calories, 86.6 grams of protein. I walked 21,333 steps for a total of 15.6 kilometers. I broke my fast around 9:15 a.m. with a shake, did not add any cashew nuts, did not add any almonds because I didn't have any. And I didn't really feel like them. Anyway, I then had an apple before my salad. Had my salad as a little picnic. Again, big wind, so bits of my salad flew away, but most of it was consumed. It was really intense. Then I had a coffee with a bit of milk and a speculoos cookie. So I finished my last meal and I had corn and red pepper soup with the salmon basmati rice, green peas. I had a little bit of gorgonzola cheese with a little bit of crackers and finished with a square of chocolate. Overall, if you look at the expenditure, the walk, the food is pretty good. Then I went to the gym, did a leg training, 5 on 10. Intensity was okay. It wasn't the worst, hardest ever. It wasn't the easiest ever. It was a good training. Mostly did machines, but it was good. Overall, yesterday was pretty good. I consumed my 3 prepped meals. I was happy with them. I only had a little biscuit with my coffee. I only had a little chocolate square with my last meal. And so if I had done that for the past 3 months, only had a little biscuit with coffee, only had a little, 1 square of chocolate, only had a little bit of cheese, no nuts added, I would have been at my goal weight of 59 kilos today. Is it a big problem that I'm not? No, absolutely not. It is absolutely fine. I have lost a ton of weight. I am very happy at the moment with my results. And don't forget, for the past 2 months, the first month was pretty stellar. I lost everything, like very quickly. The past 2 months, February, March, life happened. I had emotions. I had some sadnesses. I had a bit of sadness. And sometimes I had good days. I wanted to celebrate. And I sometimes wanted more fat, so I had more nuts. Sometimes I tried OMAD, was starving. So then that, I lived life for 2 months. And so, yeah, I could have reached my goal if I had been more. And it's up to you to be super structured and follow the plan if you want. But I just showed you a very real picture of what it looks like to lose weight regularly with meal prep to help you, but also letting yourself live life as the weight loss happens. So the main goal tomorrow is the last vlog. And Saturday I want to go to the gym and wear them. So they are the initial, the extra small, the initial pants that I was not fitting in, and I want to wear them to the gym. So pretty small, not the biggest waist. Saturday I'd like to wear them. So what I'll do Saturday is do my last weigh-in. I will try my jeans on, and I will to see the fit before and after, 3 months ago and then to Saturday. And I will go to the gym wearing them, hopefully. Not sure they're going to be that comfy. Oh, we're going to try. We're going to see. So yeah, that's going to be the plan for the next 2 days. It's today, tomorrow, and Saturday. And then Saturday, the day I don't have any meal prep anymore. I'm not going to meal prep anymore. It's the day before the departure. So I'm going to be quite busy. But I'll still try to show up for the last weigh-in and the last measurements. That's important. See how many inches are taken off the waist and hips. And yeah, that's about it, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. I hope you are for the last vlog. I see you tomorrow for the last vlog in this format anyway. I hope you're having a fabulous day and take care. Bye.